So you join me on a very wet Sunday and I've done something. What have I done? Something a little special, a little bit of a barn find. I bought it from someone I know called Sergio, or Mex on YouTube. Yeah, he gave me his car. He had it sitting around for about 2-3 years. He bought it and planned to do some things to it but never got around to it, so he offered it to me for a very reasonable price. So I went and bought it, and now it's here as a project because although it runs and drives, it's on 273,000 miles, so moon miles and a bit more. You may be asking yourself, why did I buy a 273,000 mile Volkswagen Golf GTI? Bit of a barn find. Been sitting 2 years. It's had 7 or 8 owners in its lifetime, but I thought it was something a little bit special, and I only paid, yes, £300 for this car. 300 quid, that ain't bad. It is a little bit worse for wear, so in this video I'm going to go over some of the bad points, some of the good points, and give it a little wash because it's been sitting a while. Show you the engine. I can get the door open. There we go. Yeah, so the interior, not too shabby, apart from that rip on the bolster. The steering wheel's fine, glaze cluster's fine, interior mirror's still there. It smells like old person. It literally smells like decrepit old person. Let's oh, the bonnet's already up. Let's go show you the what a 270,000 mile engine looks like. Oh, if I can get there. It's such a small cable, my goodness. Where is it gone? Where is it gone? It's up there somewhere. Hold on. Join me back when I figure out how to open the bonnet. I've done it once and I can't figure it out now. Yes, this is indeed what a 273,000 mile engine looks like. Not in the greatest condition, a bit rusty. The ABS pump looks fine, battery's alright, alternator looks like brand new, that's been replaced. Top mounts also look brand new, not really been many miles on those. Overall it just needs a bit of a TLC, and that's what we plan to do. Got the fan in there, but it does start, run and drive. That was the main reason why I bought it, because it actually moves under its own power. Obviously we got it down here, but yeah, a little something special. But now we're going to go over to the bad points. You ready? We have got quite a lot of rust and corrosion around the doors, wings, the back of the door. There is quite a bit of corrosion underneath these rear arches, as we'll show you on the other side that I've taken off, because it is a bit minging. Other wing we've got some rust. This door's alright, hasn't been subjected to that much. We've got some lacquer peel, more lacquer peel, and then we've got this arch, which is the worst of the arches. Going around to the back, normal places of rust, and we have a non-existent exhaust back there. It is extremely loud currently because of the exhaust and the lack of exhaust system, but nice little pressed German plates. Volkswagen GTI. It is the 2 litre 8 valve engine, so bulletproof. As you can see, it's lasted 273,000 miles, which is a lot of miles But let's go on to the plan with this car. So the plan with the overall car is to kind of restore it. So I'm gonna with a couple of mates and my dad to help cut all the rust out. So we're gonna cut all round here. I've already bought new panels for the arches, new side skirts, I've bought those, new front arches, I've got those. That's mainly all the problems with the rust. And then obviously underneath the car there's bound to be a few problems, so we're gonna have to get underneath the car, check that out, cut those out. Another rust spot here, which is just a low surface rust. You can see it's just falling apart, but underneath solid. The new arches actually come with this new trim piece, so it'd just be a case of cutting that out and welding in a new bit. And then once all the rust is cut out and we know where we're at with the project, we can move on to the engine bay, because I have a little workspace. Now, although my little workspace is a bit dirty at the moment, we're working on cleaning it up. We have in fact got an engine hoist, an engine stand, many tools to clean this car, get this car sorted. Obviously in the shelter we've also got degreaser and wash bin. These are all my dad's little bits he's collected over the years, so I'm very fortunate for him to let me borrow these bits. But yeah, we've got everything we really need. Got welders, we've got tools, bought an angle grinder. We this garage out so we can get the Golf in there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video of introducing the Golf. It's going to be an interesting little saga. We'll do so many videos on this car. I'm going to learn how to personally weld. I'm going to learn how to take an engine out, because I've never done that. Learn how to strip an engine, get it back down to its bare bones, fix everything, clean it up, and overall get this little Golf back to showroom condition, hopefully. It does need a lot of work, a lot of man hours, but I've convinced myself that I'm prepared to do it, and I want to get it done. It's a little project. So instead of washing the car like I planned to do, because it started to piss it down, instead we decided to sort out the garage. So as you saw before, there was a load of shit in. We've now got the parts washer over here, engine stand, engine hood there, little workbench, engine stand there. We've now got all this stuff stacked up, all my dad's stuff stacked up on the sides, along the side here. The engine chassis straightener there. I'm not going to use it, not going to need it, but it's there for now. Got a nice little shelf there to put stuff on, parts on stuff. But yeah, garage is coming together. Some of the ceiling needs to be repaired, but all in good time. Golf's in here for now. It doesn't start at the moment because the battery's dead. There's a very tight squeeze to get the Golf in here, but she's in. So we're just going to close her up for now, leave the Golf in here, and attack it another day. Yeah, Golf's in. But yeah, if you did like this video, please like, subscribe. I hope you look forward to future videos on this little Golf. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but yeah, I'm excited. I hope everyone else is excited to get started and cracking on with the Golf. We're just sorting out a little bit of the garage now whilst it's staying dry, and then I'm going to give her a little wash, so I'm going to get some pictures and footage of that. But yeah, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios.